Three asks, three people: hypnotherapist, primary care practitioner, Reiki healer. I had three people last year, different, ask me how they could find one of these practitioners. Stay with me in this video. I'm going to walk you through what all three of those have in common. I was having a conversation with a friend of mine, and she was having some challenges and thought, I think I want to try hypnotherapy. And she said, Susie, do you know anybody that does hypnotherapy? And I drew a blank. I just sat there saying, I don't really know. And in that moment, I thought, there's got to be a way to be able to search to find somebody who does hypnotherapy. I'm going to show you right now how easy it is to search for hypnotherapy in the Centered Care Directory. You can search by specialty. So once you get to the Centered Care Directory, if you scroll down, you're going to see that you can actually type in the search bar hypnotherapy, and it will come straight up with what we have in the directory. The other thing you can do is click on specialties and look at all of these specialties, hypnotherapy. So in less than 30 seconds, I was able to search for hypnotherapy and come up with what is in the directory. It's that easy. The next example I'm going to give is primary care practitioner. I had a friend who I talk to virtually because I work virtually. I can talk to anybody across the United States. And she was asking, do you know any primary care practitioners that work in Minnesota? I want to go there and take my family, and I want to pay cash. I don't want to have to do it through insurance. Again, how would I know that? And she'd been doing Google searching and stuff like that. And so it was just a conversation kind of that we had. And I thought it would be so much easier if we could just search. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to search in a specific location for a primary care practitioner in the directory. So let me share my screen and we're going to go there now. We are in the directory and we're going to do service area and we're going to put in Minnesota. And there you go. There's three of them right there on the screen. Primary care that you can search and find what it is that you're looking for. That's how easy it is. Less than 30 seconds. I don't even know if that was less. That was like 10 seconds. Once you're in the directory, you can go find whatever you need, whatever's available. And most of the time, people are looking for healthcare. When you have insurance, they have a big directory and you have in-network and you can search and you find all the people. The beautiful thing about the Centered Care Directory is that it incorporates all forms of practice. So naturopath, Reiki, energy healing, functional and integrative medicine, all the different modalities are in here along the side of physicians, doctors, primary care physicians, mental health practitioners. All of it is in the directory. This last one I'm going to show you was for Reiki healing. So I was talking again to a friend, and Reiki healing is one of those things that can be in person or you can also do it virtually. And she was just asking, she's like, do you know anybody that does Reiki? And I'm like, well, I do. I know one person. I know one. But what if you want to go in person or it's not a good fit? That happens all the time. There might be somebody that does a modality, but it's just not the right fit. So I'm going to show you how quickly you can search for Reiki healing in the Centered Care Directory. We're in the directory and we're going to go to specialties and we're going to go to energy healing Reiki. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 different people we can choose from. There's virtual, there's in-person and virtual, in-person and virtual. So you have all of these choices that you can see who it is that you want to work with. It's that simple. Subscribe to the channel if this has been helpful for you. You can click on the directory down in the description. There's a link down there. You can go search for yourself, see what's in there, see what's available. And we're adding practitioners to the directory every single day. Less than 10 seconds. I mean, I don't even think it's 10 seconds. That's how easy it is to search. And you can go from primary care, there's neurologist in there, there's podiatry in there, functional medicine. The list goes on. The list of specialties is in alphabetical order. So it's really easy to just scroll down and find what you're looking for. You can free type in the search and it'll actually search the practice description. So if there's a term that you're looking for specifically, just type it in the free search and there you go. So 3 people, 3 needs, and 1 answer. Before I even had this, it was like, I don't know. I don't know how to tell you to go find somebody. I don't know who to refer to you because there was no one place that you could actually do a search like this. You could Google it, but how many pages of people are you going to get that you have to click through and they may or may not meet the search that you actually typed? The Centered Care Directory is curated, meaning all of the practitioners that are in the directory have to apply and be approved to be in the directory. They're not just a listing that you Google. So everybody in there has to be approved that it's okay for them to be in there. They do what they say they do. And then you can go research them. Every single listing has their website or a way to contact them. Set an appointment, do a consultation, find out if it's a good fit. Less than 30 seconds. Subscribe to the channel if this has been helpful for you. You can click on the directory down in the description. There's a link down there. You can go search for yourself, see what's in there, see what's available. And we're adding practitioners to the directory every single day. So it's always growing. Going back and rechecking if you don't find what you're looking for, subscribe to the channel and you'll know when new people are added. We're going to be interviewing practitioners, so you'll be able to come to the channel and listen to what the practitioners have to say. If you want to get notified, new videos are coming out weekly. Click on the bell notification when you subscribe to the channel, and you'll be notified when a new video comes out. If you look here, there's going to be a video that pops up. It's going to be a recommended video for you to watch as you finish this video, and I will see you next time.